Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can set fingerprint screen lock or screen unlocking for your Windows machine. So let's get started. So open your Windows system and you can search for that. Let me see. I didn't never tried for fingerprint search. Fingerprint. Yeah. So you can see in if you type fingerprint in the start menu, there are two things: sign in options and set up fingerprint sign in. So let me click on that and I'll now navigate to that. If not, just come back and you can see you can go to settings. A shortcut is Windows I. Sorry, I think it's Windows I. Let me close this and open. Yeah, Windows I is a shortcut for settings, or otherwise you can open settings through um, yeah, Windows settings. So this way you can go navigate to settings and in that fingerprint sign in. So first we'll go to sign in options. There will be a lot of sign in options, and in that, if you scroll little down, you can see fingerprint sign in somewhere here. Yeah, yes. So here it is fingerprint sign in. You might be wondering why my system is appearing in a black, why my settings is appearing black. So this is a setting I have enabled. If you wish to know how to do that, I'll make a video on how to make your windows looking black. So you're aware of the recent Mac update which makes even the Explorer look black. So this update is already available in Windows. So you can find that video. Okay, so let's get into this video fingerprint. You can click on remove to remove all your fingerprints and click on add another. So I'll click on add another and I'll click on get started. And now you have to enter your PIN to continue. After you, this is the fingerprint scanner and I'll just click on that. It's saying your device, move your finger slightly to left. You can see it starts swipe your finger and you can see the bar increasing. Because as it's dark you might not be getting it properly, but the bar or is increasing. So it's saying the sensor might not be clean or dry, so I've cleaned it with a bar and I'll try to do it once again. Actually what I did was I've swapped the fingers in the middle. I think that's the reason it got confused. So make sure that you try with only one finger until it is recognized. So now you can see it is telling great, keep swiping, swipe again. So until the bar is completely filled. Yeah, I'll set your fingerprint, use your fingerprint next time you want to unlock your device. So let me try. I'll try to lock my system. I don't know whether the recording works or not. Let me try. So you can see it has recognized me. I don't know whether the part is recognized or not, but when it's recognizes, it'll tell hello, and otherwise it'll say trouble signing in with your fingerprint. Please enter the PIN. So you can try for three failure attempts. If it doesn't work, then it'll ask you to enter PIN compulsory. So that is some security mechanism. So this way you can set your fingerprint sign in option in your windows. You can like they don't have any restriction on adding number of fingerprints, like number of fingers, because generally this kind of restriction is available on phones. You can add only 5 fingers or 10 fingers like that, but they're not showing anything. I think I've added 3 fingers till now, so I think after adding 5 to 10 fingers they'll mention, might be, but I haven't tried. Let me try and let you know on that. So hope this video was helpful in understanding how you can set fingerprint sign in option on your Windows machine. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never